Have you ever worked hard, paid your bills, and still felt like money disappears? You are not alone in that feeling. For many, money seems to slip away, quietly. Today, we slow down and look at why. Gently, clearly, and without judgment. Today, this video explains one of the most important money lessons ever taught. A lesson that can change how you see your choices, calmly and step by step. Most people do not struggle with money because they are lazy. It is not because they are irresponsible. Often it is because they were never clearly taught. Most of us inherit habits, not understanding. This lesson brings that understanding to light. The rich buy assets. The poor and middle class buy liabilities. Not as a judgment, as a pattern. An asset brings money in, a liability sends money out. Assets, cash flow toward you. Liabilities, cash flow away from you. Keep this picture in mind. We will return to it. This is not about perfection. It is about direction. Small choices shift the balance over time. Let us define each clearly. An asset is something that pays you. It may start small. It grows with care. Think of steady streams, not sudden waves. Assets can be businesses, investments, or systems that work. They bring cash flow without needing you every minute. Consistency over drama. Direction matters more than speed. Systems create repeatable results. A rental property that cash flows is an asset. Dividend stocks that pay you are assets. A digital product that sells over time can be an asset. A service with team support can become an asset. Assets are not about trends. They are about inflow. They often look boring from the outside. But they add up, month after month. Patience turns seeds into shade. Remember, assets bring money in. They can keep working after your effort is done. Small flows can become meaningful over time. Clarity, not complexity. Pause for a moment. Just notice how you feel right now. No rush, no pressure. You are doing fine. A liability is something that costs you money regularly. Some expenses are necessary. Some are choices. Liabilities are not bad. They just do not pay you. Subscriptions, loans, payments, money flows out. Outflow means less room for inflow. Some outflows are part of living. That is okay. A car payment is usually a liability. Credit card interest is a liability. Wants can be liabilities if they repeat. Outflow compounds, just like inflow can. Awareness is the first step to balance. Track what repeats. Patterns matter. Remember, liabilities take money out. They pull on your cash flow over time. Even small liabilities add up monthly. Not a moral issue, just math. Clarity brings choice. Choice brings change. You can nudge the balance, slowly. Less outflow creates space for inflow. Gentle progress is enough. A personal home is not an asset in this framework if it does not pay you. Homes bring comfort, memories, and meaning. But monthly, money flows out. Mortgage, taxes, upkeep. Costs continue, even when paid off. Comfort is real. Cash flow is separate. This is perspective, not criticism. A portion rented out can shift a home toward an asset. If money flows in and exceeds costs, it functions as an asset. The question is not ownership. It is cash flow. Value can rise or fall. Cash flow is your compass. Track the flows, in and out, same house, different flow. Your goals decide the mix. Honor comfort. Build cash flow. Both can coexist. Clarity makes choices kinder. Assets, us money in. Liabilities, us money out. Simple, not always easy. You can learn this. What am I feeling right now? Notice without judging. You might feel resistance or curiosity. Maybe clarity. Hold this space for a breath. Let the idea settle in. You do not need to decide today. Awareness is movement. Your pace is enough. We continue when you are ready. Gently forward. In the comments, what was the biggest realization so far? Was it the difference between money in and money out? Or the calm of seeing cash flow clearly? Share one insight that you want to remember. Writing it down reinforces the habit. We learn together, slowly and steadily. Assets, money in, liabilities, money out. Your voice may help someone else today. Simple, supportive, respectful. Thank you for being here. Now, why people feel stuck, and how to move gently forward. Most people focus on income, not cash flow. Work harder, earn more, spend more. Repeat. Money in, money out, with little left to grow. First, survival. Then, stability. Finally, choice. Choice appears when cash flow is positive. Expenses below income creates margin. Margin funds assets. Assets fund freedom. Freedom grows as inflows grow. You do not need to maximize, just improve. Add one inflow. Remove one outflow. Automate it, so it happens even on busy days. Direction over speed, always. Arriving calmly often lasts longer. Small choices compound quietly. Weekly steps beat rare bursts. Survival, stability, choice. Choice grows with cash flow. Will this put money into my pocket or take it out? Money in, money out. Ask this before you buy. Tiny choices repeated shift your path. Turn off what you no longer use. Turn on what pays you later. A small tilt toward assets. A question worth asking daily. Simple, clear, kind. Clarity becomes habit. Habits shape outcomes. You are not behind. You are learning at your pace. One clear idea can change years ahead. Assets, money in. Liabilities, money out. Tilt gently toward inflow. Direction over speed. Always. Keep your choices kind and clear. Take the next small step. Thank you for being here.